Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball that bounces neat. C is for cat, so soft and small. D is for dog who loves to call. E is for elephant, big and strong. Come sing with me and join along. F is for fish that swim so fast. G is for giraffe so tall at last. H is for hat we wear up high. I is for ice cream, give it a try. J is for jump, now up we go. K is for kite that loves to blow. L is for lion, loud and proud. M is for moon that glows in a cloud. N is for nest where birdies lay. O is for octopus swimming away. P is for parrot talking to you. Q is for queen with a crown so new. R is for rainbow colors so bright. S is for star that shines at night. T is for turtle, slow but strong. U is for umbrella, bring it along. V is for violin, play a tune. W is for whale, singing a croon. X is for xylophone, ringing so clear. Y is for yellow, like sunshine